I'm Lisa from Everything Nice for Dolls. I make and sell doll clothes for 18-inch dolls, such as American Girl dolls. I also sell other sizes, such as the 14-inch Welly Wishers and the 15-inch Bitty Babies. So in today's video, I am going to do an unboxing and a review of a school desk from our generation, or Target. So stay tuned and you will get to see that school desk as I unbox it, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay? Okay, so now the other day I was at, actually it was a few weeks ago, but anyway, a few weeks ago we were at our local Target in our, the town nearby, and I saw that they had what I have been wanting to get for a while. I was going to just order it on the Target website, but when I saw it out there at the store, I thought, hey, I can get it right now, you know, so without having to wait. So yeah, so I went ahead and I picked up the school desk, and I think it was about, it wasn't too pricey, it was about $26.99, something like that. So here it is. Okay, there's the school desk, our generation, and in just a little bit I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to show each individual piece that is with it, okay? So, and also, I also got something else that I saw there, and I thought, well, that would go perfect with it. Let me grab it over here, okay? All right, so this is a little lunch tray. So, so when you're dolls are eating their lunch at school, they can have some lunch. And you know, some kids actually eat their lunch in their classroom sometimes, not all the time. Most of the time they eat in the cafeteria, but you know, you never know. Sometimes some schools have them eat in their classroom, especially for a special treat or something like that. Anyway, so like I said, in just a bit, I will turn the camera around and we will look at everything that is in here. Okay? All right. Now, the first one that we have here is the Lunchtime Fun Time lunch tray. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up. Okay, get this all open up here. Okay, all right, so do away with that. Okay, and there we go. Might have to have some scissors, okay, to cut into that. Okay, let's get rid of that. All right, so let's see. Okay, all right, now we have, oh, that's cute. Looks like we've got a little cinnamon roll. We have, there is, enjoy, bon appetit. Okay. Here is some celery and carrots. here is some, it looks like a little fruit salad right there. Okay. All right. And here's a juice, grape juice, a juice cup, has a little straw. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. So now we've got in the tray, you have some spaghetti and meat sauce. And here is a what we would call it at school, we would call it a spork, but actually it's got a fork and a spoon on the end. So our sporks at our at our school just has the fork part made into the spoon. But anyway, this is a spoon and a fork. I guess you call it a spork. Okay, so the tray, here's the tray. It has plastic, which you would throw that away. And so each piece fits down nicely in there. You got your carrots and fruit, and you've got your spaghetti, and you got your little fork, and a cinnamon roll, a bun. And okay, so it even has a menu, kids menu. Says right here, says hamburger, and he has the prices on it. That's so cute. Hamburger, 35 cents. That's a pretty good price for a hamburger. Maybe that's a mini pizza. Maybe that's what it is. I thought it was spaghetti, but I think it's a mini pizza. That's what it is. Fish and chips, but we don't have that. Ice cream, cheesecake. Drink is milk, hot chocolate, and soda pop. Okay. So anyway, okay. So it even has on the other side, it looks like the language is also in French. That's kind of cute. All right. So it says bon appetit. Okay. All right. So the next thing that we will be doing is we will be opening the school desk. So now this, I'll be right back because this is going to take a little bit of time, and I'm sure you don't really want to hear me doing all the opening. So anyway, I'll be back in just a jiffy. All right, while I was doing that, I did not read. If I had read, I would have known everything that was in there. So it includes a food tray, a portion of fruit salad. There's the tray. It includes a portion of fruit salad, a portion of macaroni and cheese. That's what this is. This is macaroni and cheese. To me, that didn't really look like macaroni and cheese. Looks like spaghetti with meat sauce. I don't know. Anyway, a portion of vegetables, which is the carrots, the celery, one cinnamon bun, one juice cup, one spork, one lunch menu, and one cafeteria card. So that's what this is a cafeteria card. Okay. All right. So next thing, we'll get on to opening up the school desk. All right. So now I got it unpackaged, and here it is. Here is the desk. The desk is a lot like what I remember having when I was in elementary school. The desk has some space right here for your books and your supplies down under there. Okay, it has plenty of space for all the things that a student would need. Okay, so, and here is the chair. It's just a simple little chair. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to go over all the supplies that were included in this. Okay, here is an organizer for notebooks, and they also included a notebook that has OG on it for our generation, and it's got blank pages so that they can, they want to write in it, they can. So you can put it right here in this little organizer. We used to also put magazines and stuff like that in there. Okay, so there's that, and then you've got a pencil. There is a pencil. And I think it's just, yeah, it's just plastic. It's just plastic. It doesn't really write, but it looks very real. It looks very realistic. Okay. So there's a pencil. Okay. And also here is a ruler. It actually has metric and it has the standard standard measurements, I guess you'd say. Anyway, so there is a ruler, and you could put it down in that thing if you wanted to. I don't know, wouldn't have to, but anyway, so there's a ruler and a notebook. Okay, all right, the next thing is you've got a pencil sharpener. Okay, you've got to have a pencil sharpener. You're going to keep those pencils nice and sharp. All right, the next thing is we've got a little pink, can you see that? There we go. A little pink eraser. Okay, so sometimes when your eraser on your pencil gives out, it's always nice to have a little pink eraser to be able to erase those mistakes away. Okay, now also here is a little pencil holder, and you've got a pencil to go in there, and this looks like, oh, this is a marker. Doesn't really work, it's just plastic, but it looks very realistic. The cap comes off and everything, so you can put that down in there and have on your desk. Okay, all right, so we got that, and we can put the other pencil inside there. Okay, and you know, you remember those school supplies that we made back in another video, which I could also link that up in the cards up there. Okay, that you could also put some of those little pencils. They would go fine in there. They're not quite as big. The ones that I made in that video, they're not quite as big. They're kind of skinnier than these pencils, but it's okay. You could put that in there if you wanted to. Okay, the next thing, we've got some little, they're heart-shaped little sticky notes, little notepad to write little notes. Maybe you might want to write down your homework assignment, or since it's in a shape of a heart, you might want to write, I love you, and pass it to your little boyfriend. Oh, no, you don't have boyfriends at that age. Anyway, never mind. Anyway, the doll might have a boyfriend, but I don't know. But anyway, okay, so what is next is they also have a pair of scissors in here. And these scissors really they don't really work, but they open and close, which is kind of cute. You could put your scissors down in the little container with all the other things, you know, the pencils and the marker, highlighter. Okay, you could also put the ruler down in that too. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing is, do y'all remember doing these little things? These are little, this is a little fortune teller. I think that's cute. That's cute. It has, you know, you go, you know, you'd hold it like this and you'd say, pick a number, any number, and you pick a number, and then, oh, anyway, that's kind of cute. We used to do that in school too, I remember, you know. Okay, so the next thing, it says it has an after-school checklist. Wash hands, empty knapsack. We call it a backpack. I don't know what they're calling a knapsack, but we always call it backpacks. Have a snack, do homework, and then free time. So anyway, that's a little reminder for when they would get home to do what they need to do. Okay, then the other thing is, here is a trash can. So you'd have your trash can right next to your desk. So if you needed to throw away some paper or something, you could put it right down in that trash can. And then also here is a little recycling thing. Okay, it's got a little recycling symbol right there. I guess if you were eating something that could be recycled, like plastic or a soda pop can, you know, something like that, then you could throw that in there and then recycle it. Okay. Then the very last thing that they put in here, they also have some little stickers, and I think that's kind of cute because if you wanted to, I don't know, you could put it on your desk, or something, or a notebook or something like that. It just has some little pictures of some little school-related items, you know, that has little smiley faces on it. So I think that's really cute. Overall, I like this little set. I really do. I do like it better than some of the other sets I have seen. I mean, I don't have the American Girl doll school desk set, and I'm sure it's pretty nice too. There is one from My Life, and I don't know, maybe someday I might get the My Life desk and we can kind of compare the My Life to the OG maybe someday. But anyway, okay, so I can't think that is about it as far as this little set. I think it's really cute. It has quite a bit of things with it, and they have a lot of detail in their things. All right. Okay, so in conclusion, overall, I really like this little set, and I am going to use it in my my doll room, my portable doll room. I am going to be making pretty soon a doll room that is a school doll room, a portable school room. Okay, so be on the lookout for that video in the next few weeks. I'm going to try to come up with a tutorial on how to make a portable room. Now with these portable rooms, you can do whatever you want. You can have, they can be a bedroom, they can be a kitchen, just whatever, you know. And the nice thing about these portable rooms is that you can just fold them up and put them under a bed or put them in a closet, and then, you know, you just stow them away. Okay, so what I'm going to do, like I said, is mine is going to be a school room. So I'm going to get that done hopefully in the next couple of weeks. You know, school is starting for me. I've already been back to work. I started back to work last week, and so I am hoping to get that done. But you know, I've been pretty busy with sewing stuff for my business, and also with my own full-time job that I have is working at a school. And so I would just like to say that thank you for all of the people that have subscribed. And another thing, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And also hit that bell notification so you'll always see when I'm uploading another video. All right, so stay tuned for that video about a tutorial for the portable doll room. Okay, all right.